is just flying through the middle. Oh my God. Hey, bro, you see, I got splashed. What's up, bro? Yeah, bro. A little hot. How you been? Bro, you still got the... Do you get a new piece every time? Yeah. Bro, would you want gloves? Would you wear gloves or no? I'm gonna get you gloves. I'm gonna get you some. Let's see some work, Kirsten. Let's see that work, brother. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Little disclaimer, homie is 18 years old. He just has a condition that makes him look younger, but he is 18 years old. So yeah, let's get back into the video.
Yoo-hoo. That's what we talking about, brother. You keep getting better and better. Yes, sir. Yo, do a wheelie. Boy, got the 112. I sort of love these 112s because it's like right between a 125 and an 85. They don't got too much kick like an 85. Only been hitting hella seat work lately, and it's really dope to see. Let's go. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Yeah, it's so dope watching Kirsten just get better and better. Yo, that's his glove, bro. It's the craziest shit ever, bro. Yeah, look at my exhaust, man. R.I.P. to that thing. Everyone out here, Mr. Supermoto on his girl's bike, that clean 22 YZ. Woo! Little battle. How you doing? Chilling? What happened with it?
Halloween ride out, bust my ass.
Oh, he fell. Oh my lord, brother.
I'm out here taking it easy right now.
No, I feel that.
Oh,
I fell too, but on my butt. But
I heard, but I didn't get to see the video yet.
it ain't that bad. I can tell you that. Yo, he's trying me, dude. He's trying me. Yeah. Let's go. He is going crazy today. Yo, what the hell, brother? Stop going so crazy. Sir. Yeah. Woo! They're like, what is going on, brother?
Say that about it.
Nah. Hell no. Bro, I love how much energy he has when he's like riding. Look at this, sir. Yo, that's nuts, brother. We got Kirsten on the quad, bro. What? Let's go. Easy money. Oh! Got a little sketchy right there with the hand. Car is just flying through the middle. Oh my God. Let me hit me. Yeah. It low-key feels good though because it's hot as shit out. Bro. Yeah, that's that quad light. It's in gear still. Can't leave him hanging. Hey, bro, you see, I got splashed. Hey, dude. Let's go. So sick. So, the boy Kirsten still on that quad, killing it. Let's go. Is this a new whip? Shit, beautiful, bro. What's good, right? Yeah, it's been a minute. Y'all haven't been riding as much, or no? God damn! Boy, going crazy. How you doing? Why you have a bag on it? Why you have a bag on it?
I don't speak in English.
You know Spanish? Oh, so the gas don't fly? Uh-huh. You see that, man?
3/4 of the way, my shit was locked.
Nah, I know. Hey, my shit was hurting, don't worry. Oh, big bike versus little bike. Yo, look at the rainbow. No, this is beautiful. Get some work in. Let's go. Look, we got the whole rainbow. She's shredding that 2022 YZ. It's a vibe. Let's go. You got that, soon. Let's go. The boy is literally mobbing, bro. I think this might be one of my favorite quad riders. I ain't gonna, oh, that was sick. Yeah. Yeah, the quad's still dripping, but he said, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna keep going. Woo! He's on the LT80, I think. This ain't even a 90, bruv. Okay, putting in that work. Another day in the life, brother. Let's go. Hey, when you looped, what happened? You just like hit it too hard or something?
Oh, like I was like going up. It was like still on.
When you looped, did you take your foot off? Like,
Yeah, I got a video. I'm gonna show you the video.
oh, you got a video of it?
Yeah, dude.
It looked like it was fine. Just right there. Ah, yeah, you did. If you would have hit that rear brake, bro, you would have saved it.
Yeah, bro.
No, 100%, bro. I'm glad you good, bro. Cause that shit could be crazy. Let me try that.
It's good as hell though.
Let me try it.
Don't bust your ass on it.
I hope I don't bust my ass on that shit.
I gotta stand.
Hey, don't bust your ass on my shit, man. Alright, we're on Apollo right now. Why is it chain like? The chain is like hitting, bro. It like, you feel it like it hits. It's like kink. It feels like it catches slack.
That's too loose, right?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. He was asking me about a tune clip on his two-stroke, and I don't think I got it. But here you go, brother. Woo! Try not to rev my bike. Let's go, brother. That's what we talking about. Sounding good, brother.
Yeah,
let's go.
Bad.
So yeah, this is my second day back on the 450, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a little scared still. Whenever you go down, bro, it's like, I don't know, it's scary, dude. It just makes you second guess everything again. Like, well, I guess it's good, because like when you're not second guessing yourself, that's when shit goes wrong. Ah! Alright, so gang, 12 just pulled up as you've seen. Well, hey brother, it's been real.
Yes, sir.
You all get home safe, and yeah, I guess it's time to dip. So I love you, gang. Till next time, peace.